Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I know y'all tired of eating that same old rice recipe, so we're gonna switch it up, step your rice game up, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a taco skillet rice. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Not many ingredients, really quick and easy recipe, guys, and it's really delicious. Back here we have our ground beef, we have some chicken broth here, our cheddar cheese, salsa, some chopped garlic, olive oil, we have our rice here. Make sure you rinse it off. We have some cilantro here, our onions, and we have our taco seasoning here. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna heat our olive oil. We're gonna bring that up to temperature. Once that comes up to temperature, you wanna add your onions. And we're gonna saute these until they soften. This should take a few minutes. All right, so after about a few minutes, you wanna come behind that with your ground beef. And we're gonna get that broken into here. We're gonna hit that with a little salt, sprinkle of pepper, and we're gonna continue to get this baby mixed in. Cook it until it's brown. All right, now once your beef is brown, you wanna go in with your garlic. We're gonna let this cook for another minute or so. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna go in with our taco seasoning, our rice, our chicken broth, and our salsa. We're gonna bring this mixture to a boil as we get it stirred in. All right, so once that comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce our heat to low. We're gonna cover this up, cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and your rice is tender. And you wanna make sure that you stir it occasionally so your rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, all right? All right, guys, so it looks like we are good right here. We're about 17 minutes in. Our liquid has absorbed. So we're gonna turn our heat off and we're going to do our final step, which is sprinkle our cheese in here. Along with our cilantro. We're gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. And I'm gonna cover this up for about 2 minutes, let that cheese melt, and we're gonna come back. Guys, look at what we have. Man, that is beautiful. Let's go ahead and jump into our final presentation and quality control. Guys, there you have it. Easy skillet taco rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, y'all already know quality control. Man, look at that taco rice. Front of the congregation, man. Let's go ahead and give this baby a try. Oh, man. Smells so good. Oh, man. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, with that sour cream, y'all already know. Bang it. So, guys, this is just something a little slight for you to change up your rice game. Definitely one of them go to if you need something quick. It's hearty and healthy, has your meat, has your veggies in it, has that cheese in it, where you definitely can't go wrong with that. And man, you got you a meal. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.